Hello, this is Kavita and you all are watching my channel Chirag and Kavita's World. Today I am going to give you some information related to the tense. First of all, we come to know what is meant by tense. Tense means time which shows us when the action takes place, whether it happened today, yesterday or tomorrow. Today related to the present tense, yesterday related to past tense and tomorrow related to the future tense. There are main three tenses, but these all tenses have four categories. Each tense divided into four categories. These are simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. Today I am going to give you information related to the present tense and its all categories. So let's move towards our today's topic. See, in my previous period I told you some information related to the present tense, simple present tense, how we can make sentences affirmative and negative. Again today I am going to explain this thing again same this thing again. Now see, simple present tense: she, he, it, you, I, you, I, they and we. Now see here, these all are singular pronoun. These all are singular pronoun and these all are plural pronoun. I told you in previous period where we should apply yes or where we shouldn't apply yes or yes to the main verb. Now see, for example, I take verb take. Say, then we can write in this way: she takes, he takes, it takes a tea. She takes a tea, he takes a tea, it takes a tea. Then here we should write only take because these all are included in plural categories of subject. Now see, you take, you take, you take a tea, I take a tea, they take a tea, we take a tea. Though I is a singular but always I in present tense, we should apply yes or es to the main verb, which verb we will use there. Okay. Now this is a simple present tense. Now we move towards the present continuous tense. And which is the formula of simple present tense? Yes plus V1. Yes plus V1. Now see, present continuous, present continuous tense. Formula, which is the formula of present continuous tense? Subject plus am, is, are plus V plus ing, or we can say VING also. Now we put this formula in the sentence. Subject we can take again he, she, it, I, we, then you and they. Now after he, she, it, these all are included in singular verb. That's why, sorry, singular subject. So after she, he and it, we should write down their is, which to be or verb, helping verb we can use after he, she, it, is, because these all are included in singular subjects category. Then after I, we always write here am. And these all are plural pronoun. That's why after that, we should write down there are. Now, how we can write if I take a verb speak? Then how you will write here? He is, he is speaking. He is speaking. She is speaking. It is speaking. I am speaking. I am speaking. Then we are speaking. We are speaking. You are speaking. They are. They are speaking. In this way, we can make sentences related to the present continuous tense, and always remember the formula of each sentence, of each tense, how we should make this sentence in particular tense. For example, present continuous tense formula has subject plus am plus v1 plus ing. Now we move towards the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Now formula of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus v3 plus object. Now we can write down here he, she, it, you, we, they, and I. I or it. These all are including singular subjects category. That's why if I take a verb play, play, then how we will make sentences? He has played. He has played. She has played. It has played. And after this all pronoun we have to write down have. Then how we can say that? You have played, we have played, they have played, and I have played. Though it is a singular verb, but after I in perfect tense we have to write down to be have. We have to use helping verb have. Always remember that thing. Now we will move towards present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. What is the formula of present perfect continuous tense? It is subject plus have or has plus extra word, that is been, plus v I n g. In this way, now we will put that formula in the sentence. For example, I am giving, I want to give verb read. R-E-A-C-H, read. Now subject, we can take he, she, it, or anyone's noun, name. Ram. We should write down here has been. Has been. Reached, reached, reached. Third form of the reach is reached. but here is a continuous tense. That's why after reach we should apply their ing. Present perfect continuous or continuous simple present continuous or present perfect continuous tense. Any continuous tense we have to write down ing after the main verb. Now see, he has been, reaching. He has been, he has been reaching, she has been reaching, it has been reaching, Ram has been reaching. In this way, we can make some sentences related to the present perfect tense with the help of singular pronouns. Now we will see how we can make sentences with the help of plural subjects. Now see here, they, we, you, and then again I. After this all subjects we have to write down here have been, reaching. We can say like this: they have been reaching, we have been reaching, you have been reaching, and I have been reaching. In this way we can make different sentences related to the each tense. Now I will revise it all. Now let's see. First of all, I told you what is mean by tense. Tense means a time which shows us when the action takes place, whether it happened today, yesterday, or tomorrow. Which things happen today, it is included in present tense. Then tomorrow related to the future tense, and yesterday related to the past tense. Each tense has four categories, divided into four categories. These are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. Today I gave you some information related to the present tense, and I explained simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. How many rules are there? Four rules are there according to their categories. First of all, in simple present, rule is subject plus V1 or object. Whatever it is, their object is not necessary. Then subject plus V1. We can recite in this way related to the simple present tense formula. Then in a present continuous tense, formula is subject plus helping verb am is are. After that VING, and then object. In present perfect tense, formula is subject plus helping verb have or has, then V3 of the main verb. Then present perfect tense formula is subject plus helping verb plus VING, means subject plus have has, extra word we should include there been, and after that VING means we should apply ing form to the main verb. Now again I explain simple present tense. Simple present tense formula is subject plus V1. Example: she does, they do. Then present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Formula of present continuous tense is subject plus am is are plus VING. Then sentence related to that she is doing, they perfect tense, present perfect tense. And rules are subject plus, have plus, has plus, V3. Example related to that. You have done. Then present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Formula is there. Subject plus have plus or has plus extra word BEEN been plus VING. Sentence related to that. We have been we have been doing we have been doing. They do their work. They do their work. They does their work. Then she is doing her work. Then they are doing their work. They have done their work. And then they have been doing their work. In this way, these all are formulas related to simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. And there are different sentences related to that. I hope you all are understand facts related to the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In next my video, I will give you some information related to the past tense and their four categories. Till good night to all, and thank you to all, and share my videos more and more to more and more people. And if you not subscribe my channel till, please subscribe it. Thank you.